here again from R.E. Tard Productions, and we're going to show you how to discern what's running in the background of your computer. Now this is a multi-step process, so try to stay with me. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to figure out what's running from looking at our task manager. Now, before we've gone to the command prompt, but we're not going to do that this time. This time we're going to look at our keyboard, which I can't quite show you, but we're going to hit Control, Alt, and Delete all at the same time. And ta-da, what's going to happen is now we're going to have a view of this screen. We're going to come down to Start Task Manager and hit Enter. Once that's accomplished, we see that our Windows Task Manager opens. Now here you can see all of these different processes that are running. Now, if you're like me, you don't have a clue what any of these mean, and that's okay, because there's a very easy way to find this out. Now, how we do that? First, I'm going to point at one, dwm.exe. Exe tells us that it's an executable process, it's running in the background, but I don't know what this means. And I don't know if it's a worm, a virus, some Trojan horse. Heck, I ain't got a clue. So let me show you how I'm going to figure that out. I am going to launch Google. Now, if you don't know how to get into Google, I can't help you. But if you're advanced enough to find Google, we're good. Now, what did I just say? DMW? Oops, did I type that wrong? No, here we go. EXE. DMW-EXE. I don't know what it is, so I'm going to hit Enter, and I'm going to rely on Google to tell me. Now, I typed in the wrong thing, but thank goodness that Google corrected me. Now, if I go back to my task manager and look, I'll see that DMW was actually what I meant to type in. Now, how to check it? See, Google's thinking for me. When I come down here and I look, I'm going to click on this because How To Geek sounds like a pretty professional site to me. And here we go. Now, what is it and why is it running? So here's the answer to my question. It says, you're no doubt reading this article because you're wondering why this DWM, see, I'll get it right, dyslexic here, .exe process is taking more memory than you think it should. Well, what is it? Well, it's the desktop window manager. Now that sounds like something that needs to be running, huh? See, this is how easy it is to find out what process is running, because if you're like me and not a geek, you're clueless as to what all this means. Thank you.